Every day, garment factories manage production across multiple sites and overseas locations, with numerous machines, tight schedules, and constantly changing orders. Without real-time visibility, production status can remain unclear until it's too late. That's where the Smart Factory platform comes in. One cloud-based dashboard that connects machines, data, and people in real time. From a single screen, managers can see the status of machines across different production sites. Machine status and production progress are updated live, without manual reporting. Each running job displays its current progress and key details, including the status of EagleAi inspection machines, spreading machines, and needle detectors. With more machine integrations planned for the future, teams stay aligned and can make informed decisions throughout production. When an abnormal condition occurs, the alert appears on the machine's OSHIMA, allowing operators to notice the issue immediately. At the same time, the abnormal status is synchronized to the Smart Factory platform, giving managers instant visibility wherever they are. Issues can be addressed right away, without waiting for time-consuming communication. This shared visibility shortens response time, reduces unnecessary back and forth, and keeps production moving smoothly. Because the platform is cloud-based and accessible via the internet, managers can monitor factory operations anytime, anywhere. It's an ideal solution for overseeing multiple production sites, even when they're not on the factory floor. With real-time monitoring and synchronized alerts, the Smart Factory platform gives managers the clarity to act faster, stay in control, and run factories more efficiently.